students, today we are going to discuss on another non-membranous cell organelle, centrosome. Centrosome has its specific importance in cell. It is mainly found in animal cell, but some kinds of lower category of organisms like red alga rhodophyceae belongs to rhodophyceae, and fungi which are non-filamentous. Such cell organelles are found during the process of cell division. It means inside the cell they appears during the process of cell division when a mature mother cell is well prepared for the process of division. Now students, let us know about who was the discoverer of this utmost important cell organelle. Then it was discovered by Theodore Boveri. Theodore Boveri in 1888 discovered it first into a dividing animal cell. He noticed a mature mother cell goes on the process of mitosis division, and it is happen some kinds of external rays are appearing which are responsible for the spindle formation. Then the Theodore Boveri or T. Boveri observed these structures. Around these structures, a very clear spherical space is present. That's why the term centrosome was given by T. Boveri, because the term centro means central and soma means body. Now students, let us discuss about the structure of centrosome, how a centrosome appears, and during the mitosis division process, how it is helpful in the process of chromosomal division. Now let us first diagrammatically study about the structure of a centrosome. Students, there is a central body inside a centrosome. It is just look like the wheel of a bullock cart. Most of the students doesn't see the bullock cart. It is a ox driven cart that is used to transporting the heavy goods from one place to another place. Yes students, the incoming generation only observe the bullock cart in just pictures and in books, because with the passage of time and modification of the technology, it get you can say that removed from the custom to transport the heavy goods with the help of bullock cart. This is central body known as hub. Very nice structure a centrosome has, as you very well notice with the help of this diagram. This is the central body, also termed as hub, and around the central body there are 9 triplets of microtubules present that are helpful in the formation of calm and clear space around the centrosome. I also gave the 3D structure of this particular cell organelle, and here the triplets of microtubules are sited on each the petal or flower-like structure. The number of triplets of microtubule varies from 7 to 9 in each centrosome. Now we can count this to obtain the authentic diagram of centrosome. Now I will start the counting from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Thus students, 7 I explained that 7 to 9 triplets of microtubule can be present in a single centrosome. Then students, you will observe this is a spherical, just you can say that wheel of a bullock cart. This type of structure is to be found in the wheel of bullock cart, and if you want to obtain the 3D structure of this diagram, then you can just look at this structure. These are the bundle of triplets that are present into the centrosome. It appears just a triplet of spherical structures and called microtubule. These are the microtubule which are arranged in a spherical centrosome. This is the structure of centrosome. Now students, we also know what kind of observation Boveri observed during the mitosis cell division process into a mature dividing cell. This is a prephase cell, or you can say that the cell which attain the process of interphase. This is the nucleolus, and generally centrosome are appearing near to the nucleus during the process of cell division. There are two pair of central bodies which are covered by an spherical structure is present, and around this central body the light rays like structures are arises. These light ray structures are known as the astral rays, and as the process of mitosis cell division continue, these pair of astral and central bodies recently goes on opposite direction, that is called the movement of the central bodies at opposite poles. Both central bodies or centrosomes are found to be at the angle of 90 degrees, and when they are moving in opposite direction, there is the formation of spindle fiber take place. These spindle fibers helps in the formation of a way to move the genetic material. It means chromosome from one half, or you can say that goes on the process of reduction division, through which and during this process the chromatids present inside the nucleoplasm get thick and short. These changes take place during the late anaphase process of the mitosis division. The mitosis division has 4 stages. The first stage is prophase, second is metaphase, third is anaphase, and the last stage is telophase. And students, you observe that the chromatids during this division, the disintegration of nuclear membrane take place, and the chromatids that are present into the nucleoplasm comes on the equator and moving toward the opposite poles. This is the central body or centrosome that present on the opposite direction during the process of meiosis division. Thus, the genetic material which is formed by the chromatids are these are the chromatids, the centromere and estrel bridge, formation of spindle fiber. Estrel bridge, centromere and centrioles, the pair of opposite shape of structures that are centrioles, and both combined to form centrosome. Thus, the centrosomes have a unique function in the division of the genetic material, it means chromosome. That's why the chromosome reduced to become half. And one thing more important, students, the process of mitosis division is found in the all parts of body cell except the reproductive cell. In this process, there is no reduction of chromosomes take place. It means the cells are formed during this process of cell division has equal number of chromosomes to its parental cell body. That's why there is no differences take place during the formation of new cell, or the characteristics of the new cell form is generally similar to the parental cell. Thus, students, we know that how the centrosome helpful in the process of mitosis division that helps in the generation of new daughter cell. Its main function is the formation or you can say that generation of new cells by the division of nucleic material or chromosomes. We will also complete this diagram which I left to understand the presence of centrosome inside the dividing cell. Thus, students, these microtubules are helpful in the formation of spindle fiber during the process of cell. That are the ligaments of spindle fiber. These are generally tubules-like structures which are found to be during the process of cell. Thus, students, we can say that centrosome is a central body that appears into the cytoplasm near the nucleus when a mature mother cell goes on, or you can say that prepare for the process of division. More about the phenomena of cell division, we know and study about this topic, the cell division, in the incoming lecture. Thanks students for joining today's lecture.